house help are also practicing self-isolation. Me and Izzy have decided to take turns to do the washing up. So I thought I'd do a little refresher tutorial for those of us who have forgotten a bit. So first I was deciding, should I lather each bowl, rinse it and put it in the rack? But then I decided there's a better way to do it. Just fill up the sink, put all the dishes inside, okay? And then turn off the water so you don't waste water also. Then lather all of them and then put them back here and then rinse them off.
अपील ये है, ये जो गवर्नमेंट है ये आपके लिए और हमारे लिए, हम सब के लिए बोल रही है, तो इसको सीरियसली लो, अफवाहें मत फैलाओ। ये हमेशा से एक प्रॉब्लम है कि सबको ऐसा लगता है कि ये हमारे साथ नहीं होगा। ये कोरोना वायरस किसी को भी हो सकता है, बस में, ट्रेन में, मार्केट में, हर जगह। तो काहे कोई पंगे ले रहे हो बाहर जाना? ये पब्लिक हॉलिडे नहीं है भाई, ये बड़ा सीरियस मामला है। ये सब बंद करो, मास्क पहनो, प्रोटेक्ट करो अपने आप को, हाथ धो, साफ सुथरे रहो, लोगों से दूर रहो। ये सब करने में क्या दिक्कत है आपको? अगर किसी की जान बच रही है, जानें बच रही हैं, सैकड़ों जानें बच रही हैं आपकी खुद की, तो क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो आप? करो यार, ये जिंदगी का सवाल है, करो ये प्लीज।
Everybody, since we have a lot of time on our hands, I thought I'll use it a little constructively and calmly. Of course, you got to stay safe and healthy. I thought I'll make some Malabari vegetable stew today, which we all love at home. I have this recipe that I borrowed from my mother, a bit of it from my mom, and a bit from a very dear friend of mine who's a wonderful cook, Monica, called the Cook and Curry. So yes, this is my yummy Malabari vegetable stew, which is great for the soul. Great for immunity, and I'm going to have it with some steamed white rice, and also I have some bread over here, chickpea gluten-free vegan bread, which my friend Ravina made for me, this bread. So yeah, I'm going to probably have it with that or with white rice. Yeah, so stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
What's up guys, happy quarantine. I thought I'm going to try my hand in making some butter garlic prawns. I know, not so healthy, but I'll work it out, man. I have all the time in the world. Whoa. Okay, so I've got all my ingredients here, but it's a bit soupy. But I'm okay as long as it tastes good, and good thing is less than taste this. But this is my first time there, so at least some snack there. And it smells really good. Okay, I've always seen chefs do this on top, so not much of a look, but
well, I feel this quarantine time has kind of given all of us a lot of time to do the things that we didn't have the time for. You know what I mean? We always have the time. We just have to make time. And it's kind of got me back to writing poetry, which I used to, but not very often. And after a very long time, I've written something in Hindi and just a few lines which I thought I'd share with you all. So it goes like, भाग रहा है तू जैसे वक्त से आगे निकल जाएगा, भीड़ में गुम होकर भी खुद को तन्हा ही पाएगा, तो थम जा, ठहर जा, मेरी परवाह किए बिना खुशियां खरीदने में लगा है, याद रख लकीरें तेरे हाथों में है, पर मुझसे भी जुड़ा एक धागा है, कुदरत हूं मैं, कर मैं लड़खड़ाई तो ये धागा भी टूट जाएगा, हवा पानी मिट्टी के बिना तो कैसे जिंदा रह पाएगा, तो थम जा, ठहर जा. Well, I really hope it made sense to you the way it did to me, because I've been thinking that हम अपनी अपनी लाइफ में इतना बिजी हैं, इतना तेज भाग रहे हैं, एक मीटिंग से दूसरी मीटिंग, एक गोल से दूसरे गोल, and we're always in a hurry, and we forget to think about what we're doing to our environment, what we're doing to our mother nature, and it's important. And it's important to think about that. And अभी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे किसी ने पॉज बटन दबा दिया है. Don't you think so? At least I feel that way. Well, I'm going to try and put my thoughts into words a lot more often and share it with you all. And till then, stay safe, stay at home, be responsible. Tham ja, ठहर जा.
Now on positively, this time that we have got, let's value it. Let's spend it with our loved ones. And really, I feel this is a gift of God. Vian, come. आज वियान भी दिखाएंगे आपको. हम ओम चांटिंग करेंगे आज. वियान, आप करेंगे मेरे साथ, ठीक है? तो वियान और मैं ओम चांटिंग भी करते हैं. तो वियान आज आपको दिखाएंगे कि ओम चांटिंग कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है? तो हम करेंगे 7 बार फॉर ईच वन ऑफ आवर चक्रास, ठीक है? Get into Gyan Mudra. Take a deep breath in.